Hi everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will be doing spinach pasta bake. So you will need, so it's a very healthy recipe. Okay, so firstly you will need 200 grams of pasta, 200 grams of spinach, 1 tablespoon of sunflower seeds, 1 cup of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 or 3 bay leaves, 1/4 litre of water, and 1.5 cup of milk. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so first you want to add the ghee, butter or oil, and then add the spinach. And then you just want to, and then once it's wilted, you want to add the oregano, add the garlic, mix well, and then add the tomato sauce. Then slowly add the milk, little by little. Then you want to add the bay leaves after you added the milk. And then mix. Okay, so now you want to cook the pasta. And then add the pasta to the mix. And then mix. Then remove the bay leaves. And then you want to toast the sunflower seeds. And when they're golden, you want to turn off the heat. So they're golden. Okay, so voila, now you have the spinach pasta bake. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Bye guys, see you next time.